Bonjour, I'm Frankie from Club Foodie, and today, for St. Patrick's Day, what's more delicious than making my Moroccan Green Spaghetti? It's a tasty recipe that can be ready in less than 30 minutes. So let's get cooking. While the pasta is cooking in salted boiling water, we'll start the sauce. In a large skillet over medium heat, we'll add oil. When it starts sizzling, we'll add some red onions, give a quick stir to coat them in oil before seasoning with ground sea salt. We'll saute for 3 to 4 minutes or until they're softened. To this, we'll add minced ginger as well as pressed garlic, and you know the drill. We'll saute for just 1 minute. Next, we'll add pesto, but not any kind. My Moroccan pesto. And to get the recipe, click the link on the top right corner of your screen. We'll stir to coat and then add baby spinach leaves, and lots of them. We'll stir constantly until wilted. It goes pretty fast, maybe a couple minutes at the most. When this step is done, we'll remove from the heat and spoon the pesto mixture into the jar of a blender. Also, we'll add half a cup of feta cheese, some hot paprika, and freshly ground mixed peppercorns. We'll place the lid on, remove the center cap, and process on low speed for a few seconds before slowly pouring in a little bit of the reserved pasta water. We don't need a lot, maybe a quarter cup at the most, enough to turn the mixture into a nice thick sauce. I suggest to add a little at a time, and here's the consistency we're looking for. Alright, so before transferring the sauce back to the skillet, let's taste and adjust the seasoning if needed. If everything is fine, we'll pour the sauce back into the pan, and still on medium heat, we'll drop half of our cooked spaghetti into the sauce. We'll gently mix the noodles until coated before adding more. We'll spoon into warm bowls, garnish with fresh chopped parsley and toasted almonds, and serve with lemon wedges. And my friends, this is our Moroccan Green Spaghetti. Healthy, tasty, and original, this is a great dish to enjoy anytime or for St. Patrick's Day. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!